Manila, Philippines, October 30th, 2025. Tensions are high in the West Philippine Sea. The Philippine government is in advanced talks with South Korea about the KF-21 Boramae, a 4.5-generation fighter jet. This isn't just another military purchase, it's a bold statement. The Philippines is signaling a new era for its national defense. The potential deal could redefine the country's air power for decades. Defense analysts are buzzing with speculation. The KF-21, or Young Hawk, offers capabilities the Philippine Air Force has only dreamed of. For years, the country has relied on older aircraft. Now it stands on the brink of a major technological leap. This move is seen as a direct response to growing security challenges. Inside the Department of National Defense, the mood is electric. Officials have evaluated multiple options for the multirole fighter project. The KF-21 has emerged as a powerful contender. This is more than just buying planes, it's about building a self-reliant defense posture. The discussions with Korea Aerospace Industries are reportedly progressing well. For the average Filipino, this news brings a mix of pride and concern. The cost is enormous, but the need for a credible defense is undeniable. The Boramae represents hope and a future where the Philippines can protect its own skies and seas. The talks are not just about hardware, they are about national dignity. The world is watching Manila. South Korea's aerospace journey is a story of ambition and national will. For decades, the country relied on foreign technology, but dreamed of building its own advanced military hardware. This vision led to Korea Aerospace Industries, or KAI, aiming to make South Korea a global aerospace player. The T-50 Golden Eagle program proved South Korea could design high-performance aircraft. Now, the KF-21 Boramae stands as the crown jewel, placing South Korea among elite nations in aerospace. The defense partnership between the Philippines and South Korea is built on trust and shared history. The acquisition of the Fa-50 jets marked the return of supersonic capability for the Philippine Air Force. Their arrival in 2015 ended a decade-long gap and quickly made them the Air Force's workhorse. The Fa-50s proved their worth in combat, providing crucial air support during the Battle of Marawi. More than just a transaction, the Fa-50 deal began a deep strategic partnership. The Fa-50s became a bridge, connecting the defense ambitions of both nations. The KF-21 Boramae is a significant step forward in military aviation technology. Classified as a 4.5-generation aircraft, it bridges the gap between older 4th-generation fighters and cutting-edge 5th-generation stealth jets. The Boramae's design incorporates reduced radar cross-section features, making it harder for enemy radar to detect. This provides a major tactical advantage in modern aerial combat. The heart of the KF-21 is its advanced sensor and avionics suite. The jet is equipped with a state-of-the-art active electronically scanned array radar. This radar can track multiple targets at longer ranges and with greater precision. The Boramae also features an infrared search and track system, allowing the pilot to detect and track enemy aircraft based on their heat signatures. In terms of firepower, the KF-21 is designed to be a versatile weapons platform. It can carry a wide array of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. This adaptability makes the KF-21 a true multi-role fighter. For the Philippines, the strategic value of the KF-21 is immense. Acquiring the Boramae would not just be an upgrade, it would be a transformation. It would elevate the Philippine Air Force into a modern and capable fighting force. The Philippine Air Force faces a big decision: the proven American F-16 Viper or South Korea's new KF-21 Boramae. The F-16 is legendary, but high costs and long delivery times are major hurdles. Enter the KF-21, a competitive offer with faster delivery and potential for local assembly. South Korea's openness to partnership and technology transfer aligns with the Philippines' self-reliance goals. The choice is complex, balancing proven performance with future potential and national ambition. The Philippines' pursuit of a new multirole fighter is part of a larger national strategy called the revised AFP Modernization program. Its goal is to build a military capable of defending the country's territory and sovereignty. The primary challenge now lies in the maritime domain, particularly in the West Philippine Sea. To meet this challenge, the Philippines needs a credible external defense capability. Acquiring a jet like the KF-21 is about more than just military hardware, it's about strategic independence. Relying on allies is important, but a nation must also be able to stand on its own. The Boramae, with its advanced features, would provide the Philippines with the ability to project power and enforce its national sovereignty. The potential for technology transfer and local participation in manufacturing is a game changer. It would allow the Philippines to gain deeper knowledge of advanced aerospace systems. This could lead to the development of a domestic defense industry capable of maintaining, repairing, and even upgrading its own aircraft. This modernization drive is a long-term investment in the nation's future. The decision to pursue a platform like the KF-21 shows that the Philippine government understands the stakes. By investing in a credible air defense, the Philippines is not seeking conflict. It is seeking to build a more secure and stable future for its people. The potential acquisition of the KF-21 Boramae by the Philippines has significant implications for the entire Southeast Asian region. The security landscape in this part of the world is complex and dynamic. The introduction of a 4.5 generation fighter into the Philippine Air Force would alter the regional balance of power. It would signal a new level of military sophistication in the area. Neighboring countries and global powers alike are watching these developments closely. This deal could trigger a new wave of defense acquisitions across the region. For ASEAN, this move could strengthen the collective defense posture of the bloc. A more capable Philippines contributes to regional stability by enhancing deterrence against external threats. The deal also deepens the strategic partnership between Manila and Seoul. South Korea is emerging as a major defense exporter and a significant middle power in Asia. By selling its most advanced fighter jet to the Philippines, Seoul is making a strong commitment to Philippine security. This creates a new axis of cooperation outside of the traditional alliances with Western powers. The presence of these advanced jets in the Philippine archipelago will change the strategic calculations of all regional actors. The arrival of the KF-21 Boramae would fundamentally reshape the Philippine Air Force, or PAF. It would be the most significant leap in capability in the service's history. The PAF would transition from a force equipped with light combat and trainer jets to one operating a true multi-role 4.5 generation fighter. This change goes far beyond just having a new aircraft. It requires a complete transformation of doctrine, training, and infrastructure. The Boramae will become the centerpiece of the nation's air defense network. Pilots selected to fly the KF-21 will undergo the most intensive training in PAF history. Similarly, ground crews will need to develop new skills to maintain the sophisticated engines, avionics, and low observable materials of the Boramae. The new jets will also drive major upgrades in support infrastructure. Air bases will need to be modified with new hangars, maintenance facilities, and secure command and control centers. This transformation will instill a new sense of pride and confidence within the Philippine Air Force. Operating a world-class fighter jet will be a massive morale booster. A PAF equipped with the KF-21 Boramae will be a force to be reckoned with. The potential KF-21 deal marks the beginning of a new chapter in the relationship between the Philippines and South Korea. This partnership is evolving beyond economic ties and cultural exchange. It is maturing into a deep and meaningful strategic alliance. By entrusting the Philippines with its premier fighter jet, South Korea is sending a powerful message of trust and solidarity. This collaboration is built on shared values and a common understanding of the security challenges that lie ahead. The potential for technology transfer and joint development associated with the KF-21 program could open doors for collaboration in other sectors. The defense deal could act as a catalyst, sparking a broader and more dynamic economic and technological partnership between the two countries. For the Philippines, this represents a significant step towards a more independent and resilient foreign policy. By diversifying its defense partners, Manila reduces its over-reliance on any single country. This partnership with a fellow Asian nation is both symbolic and practical. It demonstrates a commitment to finding Asian solutions to Asian problems. The KF-21 Boramae is more than just a machine of steel and wires. It is a symbol of a shared vision. The future of the Philippine Air Force, and indeed the security of Southeast Asia, may be reshaped by the flight of the young hawk.